Okay, so good afternoon. Welcome to Sagamta Emmanuel sessions. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to look at still looking at genetics, of course. So we're going to look at genetic crosses. Now this time around, we are going to focus on blood groups. Okay, so this is actually one of the sections that learners face problems. So I decided to do a video so that if you're facing challenges on how to solve genetic problems involving blood groups, you'll be able to understand so that you also clear your misconceptions. You'll be able to get it right so that if it comes in the exam, you'll be able to get it right. All right, so please, you can also follow us on YouTube. Just type Sagamta Online Academy there. It will come. Please do well to subscribe so that every time a new video is uploaded, you'll be able to get a notification and then you'll be able to watch it. Remember, Sagamta Online Academy is there to help you succeed in your academic journey. So therefore, the time to learn is now. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at these two questions that came. So the first question is saying a husband and wife were heterozygous for blood group A and B respectively. With the help of a genetic diagram, show the possible blood groups of their offspring. So let's begin by looking at that question before we come to the other question. Okay, now we need to understand something here. Remember the last time I did a video, I did mention that when you're dealing with genetic diagrams, all you need to do is to start with parents. So in this case, you're going to write parents. And the parents that we have here are husband, and the wife. Okay, so from parents, we come to the phenotype. Okay, the phenotype. So we need to write down the phenotype for the husband. We also need to write down the phenotype for the wife. So the phenotype in this case is going to be blood group. Okay, now we are told, remember, that it's respectively, meaning that A goes with the husband, B goes with the wife. Okay, so blood group A, and here also blood group B. So what next? Genotype. So genotype, we are going to, now please always remember this. When dealing with blood groups, we represent blood groups by capital I, which is actually an allele. It's called isohemagglutinogen, something like that. Check it out. So it's a I, then raised to A, then you bring another I. Now remember, we are told that this is heterozygous, meaning you're going to raise it to O, blood group O. Why blood group O? Because blood group O is always recessive. So meaning that A is going to be dominant over blood group O. Get that? So multiplied, crossed with it, we have a blood group B, which is also heterozygous, meaning it's going to have its recessive allele as a O, like that. Then from genotype, you come to gametes. So under gametes, as usual, you're going to circle. We also circle here. You circle as well. You circle likewise. So you come to crosses or genetic crosses. Okay, so you also circle, and then you begin to cross now. So this will be crossed with that. So you're going to have blood group AB. So this is going to be crossed with that. you're going to have blood group O, A. You don't say AO, you say A because O is recessive. So after that, you cross this with this, you're going to have O, blood group O, B. So you cross this with this, you're going to have O, blood group O. So like this. So these are the genotypes of the offspring. So for doing that, you are given this 5 marks that has been indicated at the end of this question. So simple. Now, let's look at the other question.